Hello. Shift-Control-Press hold scroll button to drag the camera. Only press hold scroll button to rotate the camera. Now let's start the modeling. Select Line tool and draw the square of sides 15 feet, and join all. Select Push/Pull tool, pull square and input the dimension of 6 inches. Select Offset tool and give offset of 9 inches. Select Push/Pull tool and pull the edges and make wall of 10 feet. Select Line tool and draw a line of 6 inches. Make rectangle and join. Use Push/Pull tool and pull to make slab. Draw a line in middle to make sloped roof. Use Move tool to stretch the line and pull the roof of 1.5 feet. Make thickness of 6 inches using Line tool. Erase extra lines to trim extra roof. Push extra roof to end to remove extra roof. Pull the roof outside for 1 feet at front and 6 inches at other sides. From 3 feet of the ground slab, cut the windows of any size you wish. Make the window height of 4 feet. Offset, trim extras and cut the windows. Select Paint Bucket Tools and select the materials or paint. Select the colors from materials and color as you wish. Now you have learned how to make basic model of room/house. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe and comment below for more videos.